Defense Current Affairs MCQs. For upcoming exams. 1. What is the name of the second ship of Project 17 delivered to the Indian Navy? A. INS Satpura. B. INS Uddayagiri. C. INS Nilgiri. D. INS Surya. Correct answer, B. INS Uddayagiri. 2. Apache R-64E attack helicopter was developed by which country? A. Russia. B. China. C. India. D. United States. Correct answer, D. United States. 3. Extended Range Anti-Submarine Rocket, ERISRA, is developed by which organization? A. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, HAL. B. Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO. C. Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO. D. Bharat Electronics Limited, BALE. Correct answer, C. Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO. 4. SE Picat Jaguar aircraft was jointly developed by United Kingdom and which country? A. France. B. Germany. C. Sweden. D. Russia. Correct answer. A. France. 5. Indian Army received the first batch of Apache helicopters from which country? A. France. B. United Kingdom. C. Russia. D. United States. Correct answer, D. United States. 6. Where was the exercise Divya Drishti conducted in July 2025? A. Tripura. B. Arunachal Pradesh. C. Assam. D. Sikkim. Correct answer, D. Sikkim. 7. The Pralay missile is developed by which organization? A. Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO. B. Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO. C. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, HAL. D. Bharat Dynamics Limited, BDL. Correct answer, B. Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO. 8. Where was the 6th Fast Patrol Vessel, FPV, named Indian Coast Guard Ship Atal, ICGS Atal, launched in July 2025? A. Goa. B. Mumbai. C. Chennai. D. Vishakhapatnam. Correct answer, A. Goa. 9. India and the Philippines conducted their first joint naval exercise in which sea? A. South China Sea. B. Philippine Sea. C. Arabian Sea. D. Bay of Bengal. Correct answer, C. Arabian Sea. 10. Burevestnik nuclear-powered cruise missile was developed by which country? A. Russia. B. China. C. France. D. United States. Correct answer, A. Russia. 11. Which two states are part of exercise Samanvay Shakti 2025? A. Assam and Manipur. B. Tripura and Nagaland. C. Sikkim and Meghalaya. D. Mizoram and Arunachal Pradesh. Correct answer, A. Assam and Manipur. 12. What is INS Aridhman that was recently seen in news? A. KIF-class hybrid aircraft carrier. B. Stealth-guided missile destroyer. C. Torpedo recovery vessel. D. Nuclear-powered ballistic missile submarine. Correct answer, D. Nuclear-powered ballistic missile submarine. 13. Integrated Air Defense Weapon System, IADWS, has been developed under which mission? A. Mission Prahed. B. Mission Trishul. C. Mission Suraksha. D. Mission Sudarshan Chakra. Correct answer, D. Mission Sudarshan Chakra. 14. Exercise Maitri is a joint military drill between India and which country? A. Thailand. B. Japan. C. Australia. D. Vietnam. Correct answer, A. Thailand. 15. Where was the maiden exercise Arogya Setu organized by the Indian Army? A. Assam. B. Sikkim. C. Tripura. D. Odisha. Correct answer, A. Assam. 16. Which country has launched the annual military exercise Super Garuda Shield 2025 along with the United States and allied nations? A. Vietnam. B. Indonesia. C. India. D. China. Correct answer, B. Indonesia. 17. The X-Guard fiber optic towed decoy FOTD system was developed by which country? A. Israel. B. Iran. C. Russia. D. France. Correct answer, A. Israel. 18. What type of missile is Nimbrix developed by Swedish defense company Saab? A. Counter-unmanned aircraft system CUAS missile. B. Anti-tank guided missile ATGM. C. Intercontinental ballistic missile ICBM. D. Surface-to-surface missile SAS. Correct answer, A. Counter-unmanned aircraft system CUAS missile. 19. Which Indian naval ship, INS, participated in exercise Bright Star 2025, a multilateral drill hosted by Egypt from September 1st to 10th? A. INS Shivalik. B. INS Trikand. C. INS Kalvari. D. INS Vikrant. Correct answer, B. INS Trikand. 20. INS Aravali, a new shore-based naval facility, was commissioned in which city? A. Vishakhapatnam. B. Gurugram. C. Mumbai. D. Kochi. Correct answer, B. Gurugram. 21. Project Vijay is an initiative of which organization? A. Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO. B. Border Roads Organization, BRO. C. National Highways Authority of India, NHAI. D. Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO. Correct answer, B. Border Roads Organization, BRO. 22. India conducted a test launch of which missile from a rail-based mobile launcher for the first time? A. Agni 1. B. Agni 5. C. Agni Prime. D. Prithvi. Correct answer, C. Agni Prime. 23. Which fighter aircraft was officially decommissioned by the Indian Air Force in September 2025? A. Mirage 2000. B. Jaguar. C. MiG-29. D. MiG-21. Correct answer, D. MiG-21. 24. Where was exercise Drone Kavach conducted by the Indian Army? A. Arunachal Pradesh. B. Sikkim. C. Assam. D. Nagaland. Correct answer, A. Arunachal Pradesh. 25. India's first private sector helicopter final assembly line, FAL, has been unveiled in which state? A. Andhra Pradesh. B. Odisha. C. Karnataka. D. Maharashtra. Correct answer, C. Karnataka. 26. What kind of vessel is in Sutlej that was recently seen in news? A. Hydrographic survey vessel. B. Diesel electric submarine. C. Stealth multi-role frigate. D. Torpedo launch and recovery vessel. Correct answer, A. Hydrographic survey vessel. 27. Dhwani missile is developed by which organization? A. Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO. B. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, HAL. C. Bharat Electronics Limited, BALE. D. Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO. Correct answer, D. Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO. 28. Exercise Konkan 25 is conducted between India and which country? A. Australia. B. Indonesia. C. United Kingdom. D. Russia. Correct answer, C. United Kingdom. 29. Exercise Australian 2025 is conducted between India and which country? A. Australia. B. China. C. France. D. Russia. Correct answer, A. Australia. 30. Astra Mark II is a Beyond Visual Range, BVR, air-to-air missile developed by which organization? A. Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO. B. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, HAL. C. Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO. D. Bharat Dynamics Limited, BDL. Correct answer, A. Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO. 31. What is the name of the first anti-submarine warfare shallow water craft, ASW SWC, inducted by the Indian Navy? A. INS Mahe. B. INS Kochi. C. INS Puducherry. D. INS Mumbai. Correct answer, A. INS Mahe. 32. Where were the fast patrol vessels, FPVs, ICGS Ajit and ICGS Aprajit launched? A. Cochin Shipyard Limited. B. Mazago Dock Shipbuilders. C. Goa Shipyard Limited. D. Hindustan Shipyard. Correct answer, C. Goa Shipyard Limited. 33. Buvesnik nuclear-powered cruise missile is developed by which country? A. India. B. Japan. C. Russia. D. China. Correct answer, C. Russia. 34. Exercise Mitra Shakti 2025 is a joint military exercise between India and which country? A. Nepal. B. Sri Lanka. C. Bangladesh. D. Myanmar. Correct answer, B. Sri Lanka. 35. What type of missile is INVAR that was recently seen in news? A. Anti-tank guided missile. B. Anti-ship missile. C. Cruise missile. D. Surface-to-surface missile. Correct answer, A. Anti-tank guided missile. 36. Exercise Ajay Warrior 25 is a joint military exercise between India and which country? A. Australia. B. Indonesia. C. France. D. United Kingdom. Correct answer, D. United Kingdom. 37. The Integrated Drone Detection and Interdiction System, Mark II, is developed by which organization? A. Indian Space Research Organization. B. Defense Research and Development Organization. C. Bharat Electronics Limited. D. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. Correct answer, B. Defense Research and Development Organization. 38. INS Gharial, which was recently deployed to Sri Lanka under Operation Sagar Bandhu, belongs to which class of vessel? A. Shivalik class. B. Talwar class. C. Magar class. D. Kolkata class. Correct answer, C. Magar class. 39. Exercise Desert Cyclone 2 is a joint military exercise between India and which country? A. Saudi Arabia. B. Qatar. C. United Arab Emirates. D. Oman. Correct answer, C. United Arab Emirates. 40. What is the name of the first pollution control vessel, PCV, recently inducted by the Indian Coast Guard at Goa Shipyard Limited? A. Samudra Rakshak. B. Samudra Pratap. C. Samudra Shakti. D. Samudra Jyoti. Correct answer, B. Samudra Pratap. 41. C-130J Super Hercules aircraft is developed by which country? A. United States. B. France. C. Germany. D. Australia. Correct answer, A. United States. 42. ICGS Amulya, which was recently commissioned in Goa, belongs to which class of fast patrol vessels? A. Samudra class. B. Vikrant class. C. Adamya class. D. Sukanya class. Correct answer, C. Adamya class. 43. What is the name of the first pollution control vessel, PCV, recently inducted by the Indian Coast Guard at Goa Shipyard Limited? A. Samudra Rakshak. B. Samudra Pratap. C. Samudra Shakti. D. Samudra Jyoti. Correct answer, B. Samudra Pratap. 44. Akash Next Generation, Akash NG, missile system has been developed by which organization? A. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. B. Defense Research and Development Organization. C. Indian Space Research Organization. D. Bharat Electronics Limited. Correct answer, B. Defense Research and Development Organization. 45. Where was the Dhruvanji Next Generation civil helicopter inaugurated in December 2025? A. Lucknow. B. Bangalore. C. Chennai. D. Hyderabad. Correct answer, B. Bangalore. 46. The Albert Eka Brigade, which recently celebrated its 56th Raising Day, fought from which sector during the 1971 war? A. Kashmir. B. Punjab. C. Rajasthan. D. Tripura. Correct answer, D. Tripura. 47. The Close Quarter Battle, CQB, carbine is designed by which organization? A. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, HAL. B. Bharat Electronics Limited, BALE. C. Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO. D. Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO. Correct answer, C. Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO. 48. What is the name of the modern warfare force created by the Indian Army in January 2026 with advanced drone capabilities? A. Rudra. B. Garud. C. Vajra. D. Bhairav. Correct answer, D. Bhairav. 49. Operation Pavan was conducted by which organization? A. Indian Peacekeeping Force, IPKF. B. National Security Guard, NSG. C. Central Bureau of Investigation, CBI. D. Intelligence Bureau, IB. Correct answer, A. Indian Peacekeeping Force, IPKF. 50. The robot system 15, RBS-15, has been developed by which country? A. Sweden. B. France. C. Germany. D. Australia. Correct answer, A. Sweden. 51. The 17th edition of Exercise Dosti was conducted in which country? A. India. B. Maldives. C. Sri Lanka. D. Seychelles. Correct answer, B. Maldives. 52. India's first indigenous and privately manufactured C-295 aircraft was built by which company? A. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, HAL. B. Tata Advanced Systems Limited, TASIL. C. Bharat Electronics Limited, BALE. D. None of the above. Correct answer, B. Tata Advanced Systems Limited, TASIL. 53. Which state is the host of Exercise Vayu Shakti 2026? A. Gujarat. B. Punjab. C. Rajasthan. D. Himachal Pradesh. Correct answer, C. Rajasthan. 54. Khorramshahr 4 ballistic missile is developed by which country? A. Iran. B. Israel. C. Russia. D. Iraq. Correct answer, A. Iran. 55. Where was India's first private sector helicopter manufacturing plant launched? A. Maharashtra. B. Kerala. C. Andhra Pradesh. D. Karnataka. Correct answer, D. Karnataka. 56. Where was India's first waterjet production and testing facility inaugurated? A. Kerala. B. Maharashtra. C. Gujarat. D. Goa. Correct answer, D. Goa. 57. Sayed 3G is a naval surface-to-air missile developed by which country? A. Israel. B. Russia. C. Iran. D. China. Correct answer, C. Iran. 58. Exercise Dharma Guardian 2026 is conducted between India and which country? A. Australia. B. Vietnam. C. China. D. Japan. Correct answer, D. Japan. 59. Anjadeep, recently commissioned into the Indian Navy, belongs to which category of vessels? A. Aircraft carrier. B. Destroyer. C. Anti-submarine warfare shallow water craft, ASWSWC. D. Amphibious assault ship. Correct answer. C. Anti-submarine warfare shallow water craft, ASWSWC. 60. What is SHORADS, recently seen in the news? A. Man-Portable Air Defense System, MANPAD. B. Peacekeeping operations in Europe. C. Mobile Short-Range Air Defense System. D. Military exercise between India and Europe. Correct answer. A. Man-Portable Air Defense System, MANPAD. 61. What is SHORADS, recently seen in the news? A. Man-Portable Air Defense System, MANPAD. B. Peacekeeping operations in Europe. C. Mobile Short-Range Air Defense System. D. Military exercise between India and Europe. Correct answer. A. Man-Portable Air Defense System, MANPAD. 62. Shah drones are unmanned aerial vehicles developed by which country? A. Iran. B. Israel. C. Russia. D. India. Correct answer. A. Iran. 63. Minuteman III is an intercontinental ballistic missile, ICBM, developed by which country? A. United States. B. Russia. C. China. D. Israel. Correct answer. A. United States. 64. Third, Terminal High Altitude Area Defense is an advanced ballistic missile defense system developed by which country? A. Russia. B. Israel. C. United States. D. Germany. Correct answer. C. United States. 65. Sheshnag 150 is developed by which organization? A. Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO. B. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, HAL. C. New Space Research and Technologies, NRT. D. Bharat Electronics Limited, BALE. Correct answer. C. New Space Research and Technologies, NRT. 66. Sejal ballistic missile is developed by which country? A. Iraq. B. Israel. C. Iran. D. Qatar. Correct answer. C. Iran. 67. In Staragiri, F-41, that was recently seen in news, belongs to which class of warships? A. Kolkata class. B. Shivalik class. C. Nilgiri class. D. Talwar class. Correct answer. C. Nilgiri class. 68. The S-400 is a modern long-range surface-to-air missile, MLRSAM, system developed by which country? A. United States. B. France. C. Russia. D. Japan. Correct answer. C. Russia. 69. Where was IMEX TTX 2026 Ions Maritime Exercise Tabletop Exercise 2026 held? A. Surat. B. Jaipur. C. Kochi. D. Bhopal. Correct answer. C. Kochi. 70. In Staragiri was commissioned at which place in April 2026? A. Mumbai. B. Kochi. C. Vishakhapatnam. D. Chennai. Correct answer. C. Vishakhapatnam. 71. In Sagardhwani was built by which shipyard? A. Mazago Dock Shipbuilders Limited. B. Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers. C. Cochin Shipyard Limited. D. Hindustan Shipyard Limited. Correct answer. B. Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers. 72. Where was the girder laying ceremony for the 4th, 5th, and 6th air cushion vehicle of the Indian Coast Guard held? A. Goa. B. Andhra Pradesh. C. Tamil Nadu. D. Kerala. Correct answer. A. Goa. 73. Divyastra missile was developed by which organization? A. Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO. B. Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO. C. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, HAL. D. Bharat Dynamics Limited, BDL. Correct answer. A. Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO. 74. Where was the next generation offshore patrol vessel, Sanghamitra, launched? A. Kolkata. B. Mumbai. C. Vishakhapatnam. D. Chennai. Correct answer. A. Kolkata. 75. The AGM-114 Hellfire missile was developed by which country? A. France. B. United States. C. Germany. D. Australia. Correct answer. B. United States. 76. Tejas Mk-1A is developed by which organization? A. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. B. Defense Research and Development Organization. C. Indian Space Research Organization. D. Bharat Dynamics Limited. Correct answer. A. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. 77. The recently tested Made in India C-295 aircraft is primarily designed for which type of operations? A. Space exploration missions. B. Tactical military transport operations. C. Commercial passenger transport. D. Naval combat operations. Correct answer. B. Tactical military transport operations. 78. Exercise Pitch Black is hosted by which country? A. United States. B. Australia. C. Japan. D. United Kingdom. Correct answer. B. Australia. 79. Which country is the host of Exercise Khan Quest 2026? A. Mongolia. B. Kazakhstan. C. Uzbekistan. D. Turkmenistan. Correct answer, A. Mongolia. 80. Helena missile has been developed by which organization? A. Defense Research and Development Organization. B. Indian Space Research Organization. C. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. D. Bharat Electronics Limited. Correct answer, A. Defense Research and Development Organization.